Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and today I'm talking about the PM Neverfull. This is in the smallest size and I absolutely love this bag. So quick story time, I ordered this bag about 3 weeks ago from Fashionphile. And this was definitely an impulse purchase. I mean, I did think about it for a while and I had my eye on this bag for a while, but I had imagined that if I did purchase a Neverfull, I would get it in the size. And, I was sort of on the fence about my Speedy B 25 in the monogram print, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep that bag. I bought that bag brand new from the LV website in 2019 in like January, and I haven't used it as much as I would like, but I wanted a bag in the monogram print that was comparable to that size. And I had just written this bag off because I thought, well, I don't want a handheld bag, right? I want a bag I can wear in different ways. Well, it turns out that I can actually wear this over my shoulder. It fits quite comfortably, as you can see there. I think if it was a Neverfull then the strap drop would be extremely comfortable. But for a PM size, it's more comfortable than I thought. I wouldn't say it's like I would want to wear it like this to work all the time every day, though I could get used to it. But if I'm walking around the grocery store, just doing shopping, running errands, it's super comfortable for me. The only caveat with this bag is you don't want to overfill it. When I have tried to put too much in here and then put it over my shoulder, it's harder to get it to fit. And also when I have put a coat on or something and then try to put this on like a thicker garment, then it's harder. But for the summer or spring, if you're dressing light and you are putting quite a bit in here but not overstuffing it, it should be fine over your shoulder. I had also thought about like maybe wearing it crossbody and attaching a strap here to these gold hoops right here. But I think that would probably affect the integrity of the bag and could maybe rip off the leather. I don't think that would be really secure because these are quite delicate, these loops here. So I am enjoying just like wearing this handheld, wearing this over my shoulder, and I have not changed out of this bag since I got it. I have been using it nonstop for the last 2-3 weeks, and I can just see this being my forever summer bag. I mean, this is giving me what I wanted and was lacking in the Speedy B 25 monogram, which by the way, I still love and I intend to keep because I do like to have a crossbody option in the monogram print. But what I like about this is you've got the open top and there's a peek at how I've packed it. And so because of that, you can just reach right in and grab your items. You don't have to unzip and fuss with anything. And so when you're looking for a bag that's really easy breezy, this is a great option. So I love it for that reason. I also, like it as an indoor bag because when I'm going from living room to bedroom to study room, I have this bag that carries my essentials from room to room. And again, everything is visible to the eye. I don't have to unzip anything. And I also just feel like the look of it is just kind of easy breezy. It has less vachetta than the Speedy B 25. And so because of that, I think it's just so easy to wear. And I'm not so worried about the patina or about the vachetta because it's an older bag. It's from 2008. So 12 years old, but for being 12 years old, it's really in great condition. The patina is even, if you can see there, there's no cracking on the leather. The canvas looks beautiful. And I actually am really glad I didn't get this piece brand new because I probably would have worried over the vachetta like I did with my Speedy B 25 when I first got it, and I just couldn't bring myself to really wear it for a while. And now it's patinaing, so I think I'm going to get more comfortable with it. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is if you like the monogram print and you've tried the Speedy B 25 or you like the Neverfull, I wouldn't immediately write off this bag because I think a lot of people, at least in the reviews I've seen online, will say that the size or the GM size are much better. And I think for travel, those two bags are probably better. But for everyday use, this is a great option. And I have larger work totes that are Barrington bags, and they're also canvas, and I love them. They retail for around 160 US dollars, and they work really well for me for work. But I still would maybe carry this to work now and again when I didn't have to carry as much on a given day. And just to change things up, I would still be able to comfortably use this. So, cool feature about this bag is that you can cinch in the sides with the Neverfull. And the cool thing about that is that it gives your bag a slightly different look if you want that. Makes it smaller if you want that, though with the PM size, I don't know if that would necessarily be something I'd want to do, but it making your items more secure when you put it over your shoulder, you're less worried about someone being able to reach in there. So if you're worried about security, even with everything I've got in there, I was able to cinch this up, and I do have quite a few items in here. So in terms of the bag measurements, I'll say that it is about 11.5 inches in width, and at the top it's a little wider, maybe closer to 15 inches, and it's a little under 9 inches in height and around 5 inches in depth. So that's quite a bit of room. And since this is an older model, it has the beige interior. Now the PM Neverfulls come with that sort of hot pink colored interior, which I think is beautiful. I forget the exact name of it. I think it starts with a P, but that's also really nice. What I like about this beige interior too is that it's just quieter, it's more muted, so it just makes me feel comfortable wearing it in a lot of different settings. But like I said, I have not been able to stop using this piece. It's so beautiful. So you can also clasp this if you want to close it. I mean, it's not like a zipper, but it does give you some security if you wanted to do that, and I have done that at times when I've gone out. So let me quickly show you what I've got in here, because I've been able to fit quite a bit in here. So I have in here, this is a card case and bill holder, which I ordered from My Wallet or My Wallet online, and this was, I think, 60 US dollars or thereabouts. And so I have bills in here and a check and stamps. And I recently did a review on this piece, but I absolutely love the colors of it. And in this tote, I can just keep it vertically and then reach for it very easily. So I like having this piece in there. I also have my PM agenda. This is in the Damier Ebene print. And I got this for my birthday from my boyfriend. And I just love using a smaller agenda because it fits so well from bag to bag. And I found a system for myself that works. Here's a little peek at the inside, and the dashboard is Taurus, which is my star sign. So I have that in there. I have my reading glasses in this cute, fun pouch from Amazon. And this also has a zipper pull on the back so you can keep coins in there, which is kind of fun. I have my Kindle Paperwhite. I love having this with me on the go, and this is so much lighter than my previous e-reader, which was a Nook, and it was a larger tablet, so I love this much lighter version of an e-reader. I have some Kleenex in here. I like to keep a pen in a pen holder, so I do have a pen case where I can keep more pens, but here I just keep this one, this Bic pen, which has like multiple colors on it, and then it's sort of like multiple pens in one. So I'll just carry it in this pen case that I got from Leatherology. This is in the scarlet color, and it's such a well-made piece. Really beautiful. If you're just looking for a single pen case, I would recommend checking out their website, and they also have larger pen and pencil cases. This is my PM cosmetic pouch in the Damier Ebene print. I love this beautiful piece, and I keep medicinal items in here and makeup in here. This might be my favorite SLG from Louis Vuitton. It's just such a sturdy piece and so well made. I just love using this piece, and I'm constantly going into it. I have my mini pochette. This is in the monogram print, and it is a made in France piece. I totally love this beautiful piece, and when I first got it a few months ago, I wasn't sure how I would use it, and it kind of went through various incarnations, and now I'm using it as a tech pouch. So I've got a charger in there, I've got a tape measure, some headphones, I actually have sanitizer and like my tech wipe and things like that. So it's tech and other items, and so now I'm using this on a daily basis, and I'm so glad because I like having this piece with me when I'm going out and running errands and just around the house too. And then I have my sunglasses in here in this little red felt case. And these are cat eye sunglasses, which I totally love. I think they're so cute. I've had these for years, and whenever I'm going in for new prescriptions, I just hang on to these and just get the lenses changed, just because I love them so much. They're just a good basic pair. So that is pretty much what I carry in there, which is quite a bit, right? So you can see the inside interior is also in good shape, given, again, this piece was 12 years old. And there is this interior pocket, which I totally love, and it's a good sized pocket for the smallest size of the Neverfull. Now, if you have a Speedy, then you know the interior pocket on a Speedy, you can hold very little. You can maybe get some hair ties in there and a packet of gum, and that's about it. But in this, I'm able to fit quite a bit more. So let me show you what I've got in this pocket. I've got this little card case, which holds some dental picks, which I like to have with me. I have my clay, which houses my keys, and that's all I have in there right now, but I have been able to put in other things in here, like additional cards and whatnot, and hair ties. So I do like that this pocket is there. So, you know, if you're worried about security with this bag, you could put a little wallet or, again, your cards in here and not worry about it. And, you know, that makes this bag easier to use when you're out and worried about security. So let me quickly put the items I just showed you back in there to show you how easy it is to pack this bag. And, you know, I just think it works so well in this size. I'm even considering getting it in the Damier Ebene print, but, you know, that's out of my budget right now. But maybe down the line, I would get it in that print also. So there you go. She's all packed up again. And again, I could probably fit a scarf in here, a bottle of water, or an umbrella. So I definitely haven't packed it to the brim, but I've got my essentials in here and then some, right? I wanted to really quickly show you this bag with a few different bag charms, just because I think it looks so beautiful with the charms. And so I have this palm charm that I got from Etsy, and that is upcycled Louis Vuitton in there. And I love palm charms. That's so cute. I love that with the white palm on there, and it just dresses up the bag a bit and gives it a little different look. Here is another one. I have this charm, which I purchased from Fashion File. So it is a Louis Vuitton piece. Give you a close-up there of the clasp. It's in really good condition, and it is a made in Italy piece. I like the red on the back, and you could wear it on this side too, but just to show you what the bag looks like with this charm on it. There you go. And again, I really like that too. I think that's beautiful and gives it a sort of different look. And I'll show you maybe one more charm. It's in this bag here. And this is a charm I ordered from Etsy. And this is my cutesy side coming out because it's a little red bear charm. And the red bear has these white polka dots on it. And then there's like a heart and other little ornaments attached. And I just thought this was so cute. And I think it was fairly reasonable, like 10, 12 bucks or something on Etsy. And so I love that too. And again, you know, just depending on your mood, you can dress your bag up in different ways. So again, I really recommend this bag. I think it's so beautiful. And even though it's the smallest Neverfull size and maybe the least popular, there is something so adorable about this bag that if you're looking for a piece that you can really use around town, I would highly recommend this one. The size and the GM size seem kind of on the big side for me for just like running errands, unless you have a lot to carry. If you have kids and you have extra items and snacks and things that you need to get in there, I could understand preferring the bigger piece. But if you're just carrying your own essentials and a few extras, I think this is a great, year-round bag, but definitely a great summer bag. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my review today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me. Thanks and have a good day.